Good evening. It's November 29th, 2010, Monday night. Chuck and Sally are at the small but beautiful Tenpaku River. And we're doing bird watching. This is our lucky day. We get to see the Tenpaku River kingfisher. Alright, let's go ahead and make the video. Roll. There's probably a frog in the bushes.
Really? I didn't know they eat frogs.
That's right. Fish, frogs, and bugs too.
Hey, there's a cute bird over there.
Yeah. Wonder what it is.
It's flying this way. Wow, it's a kingfisher.
All right, that's cool. I want to take a picture. Let me get my camera. Cut.